If you are preparing your next vacation, it is clear that you are looking for comfort, a good destination, and of course economy. You have to know how and when it is ideal to travel. That is why the internet today offers you the best deals that will put you on the best route of adventure around the world. There are a variety of applications to find flights and accommodation, but few fit into the pockets of tourists. So why pay more than necessary for a trip? Here we recommend 3 tools so you can choose the best prices and destinations while still enjoying your dream vacations while saving money. Number 1. Skyscanner, a search engine for flight offers which allows you to compare between more than 1,000 low-cost airlines in a few seconds. This application is available in more than 30 languages. To have a much more fluid experience, you can create an account that will allow you to synchronize your data and flight search history to find them on any device you enter. Likewise, you can configure the alerts to receive notifications and be aware of when the prices of airlines tickets go down. Filter the results by destination, date, time of departure and arrival, duration, airline, number of stopovers, among other options to choose the flight that best suits your possibilities. Number 2. Kayak. This tool, like Skyscanner, offers you a variety of flight suggestions, searches for hotels and rental cars. There you can compare prices and save money with exclusive offers. Kayak Trips will allow you to organize your trip plan. The application will collect all the details of your reservation, preparing an itinerary in an effective way, and the best thing is that you can use the application without an internet connection. The option Explore will show you on a map the prices of air tickets to other cities or countries from your place of origin. Just click on the destination and convenient price. There it will indicate the different airlines that are available to you. Number 3. Go Euro. It has never been so easy to plan a trip to the cradle of Western culture, such as Europe, with a simple search in Go Euro. You can book trains, buses and flights to more than 15 European countries. In addition, it will allow you to book and have your travel ticket electronically by means of a QR code, avoiding the use of paper tickets. These and other applications will make your trip more enjoyable, without forgetting the practicality you will find in them when booking and traveling economically.